Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how to identify support and resistance levels in a chart. Support and resistance are key concepts in technical analysis that can help you make informed trading decisions. So, let's get started. First, let's define what support and resistance levels are. Support is a price level at which demand for an asset is strong enough to prevent the price from falling further. Resistance is a price level at which supply for an asset is strong enough to prevent the price from rising further. To identify support and resistance levels in a chart, you can start by looking for areas where the price has previously reversed. These areas are called swing highs and swing lows. A swing high is a peak in the price that is higher than the previous peak, while a swing low is a trough in the price that is lower than the previous trough. Once you've identified the swing highs and lows, you can draw horizontal lines at these levels to create support and resistance zones. These zones represent areas where the price is likely to bounce off or reverse. To confirm that a level is indeed a support or resistance level, you can look for multiple touches or bounces off that level. The more times the price has touched or bounced off a level, the stronger that level is likely to be. In addition to using swing highs and lows to identify support and resistance levels, you can also use other technical indicators such as moving averages, trend lines, and Fibonacci retracements. These indicators can help you confirm the levels you've identified and provide additional insights into market trends and momentum. I make video as soon as possible on these technical indicators. So, there you have it. Identifying support and resistance levels in a chart is an essential skill for any trader. By using swing highs and lows, along with other technical indicators, you can identify key price levels that can help you make informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more trading tips and insights.